Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we will be explaining about fake news classification on Twitter using Flume, Ngram Analysis Decision Tree Machine Learning Technique. Introduction. The internet is now pervasive and everyone relies on various online news sources for information. With the increased usage of social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and other news spread quickly across millions of people in relatively short period of time. People have become more aware of current events and significant news as social media has grown its prominence frequently through outlets such as Twitter. One concern with these news sources is predominance of incorrect information, sometimes known as fake news. Even some social media disinformation also. Fake news detection is an emerging research area which is gaining big interest. So, machine learning method, Ngram and decision tree are used to implement a highly effective method to identify fake news spread on Twitter. Objective: given the considerable issues posed by disinformation on social media platforms, the project's primary goal is to develop a comprehensive and effective system for detecting fake news on Twitter. The project intends to capture relevant patterns and traits in the dataset by using Ngram analysis and transforming it into TF-IDF vectors. The project uses a decision tree model and a properly divided training and testing dataset to achieve high prediction accuracy and accurately identifying fake news tweets. Requirements are these: hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above are required. Coming to software requirements, Python IDEL of 3.7 version is required. Coming to methodology, we have designed these modules for execution. First module is upload fake news dataset. In this module, we upload dataset for application. Second module is pre-process dataset by applying Ngram. Ngram analysis is used in the project to capture contextual information and relationships between adjacent words in the text. It helps in identifying specific word sequence or patterns that may indicate fake news, contributing to the accuracy of the detection model by considering the sequential nature of the language in tweets. In this module, we convert the strings data to numeric vector. Next one is run decision tree algorithm. In this module, we train decision tree algorithm on 80% of the trained data and then predict 20% of the accuracy. Decision tree algorithm is chosen for its ability to capture complex decision-making patterns in the dataset and making it suitable for distinguishing between genuine and fake news on Twitter. Its interpretability and effectiveness in handling nonlinear relationships contribute to the project's success in detecting misinformation. Fifth one is test news detection. In this module, we upload the test data and detect the news whether it is genuine or fake. For execution, first open the code folder. So this is the code folder and this is the data set. And on this data set, we will be training the model. And this is the test news data set. On this, we will be predicting whether it is a genuine news or fake news. This is the main code file and this is the model file which contains the algorithm information, and this file can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the train models. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created Windows batch file for execution. So double click on it for execution. This is the graphical user interface of the project. With this, we can interact with the program. This is created by using Tkinter library in the Python. Now click on the button Upload Fake News Dataset. Select the news and click on Open. Here dataset is loaded. Here we can see all the news, and here it has class labels as 1 and 0, which means they are genuine and fake. Now click on the button Pre-process Dataset and apply Ngram button to convert strings to numeric vector. Here, these are the words, and all news words are arranged in the column header, and these are the rows. If this particular word is appeared in this particular row, the word count will be present. If this word will not be presented in any row, then the word count will not be there. Here, in this, we have 7613 rows and 200 columns. Here the total dataset records are 7613. Now this is split into train and test. In train we have 6090 records, in test we have 1523 records. Now click on the button Run Decision Tree Algorithm. Initially, decision tree algorithm is trained on 80% of the dataset, which is trained data, and then it is predicted on 20% of the test dataset, and it has calculated the accuracy, and its accuracy is this. Now click on the button Decision Tree Accuracy and Error Rate Graph to view the accuracy and error rate. And here, on the x-axis we have the accuracy and error rate of the decision tree, and on the y-axis we have accuracy score and error rate. Among accuracy and error rate, accuracy is high and error is very low, which means that decision tree model is performing well. Now close this graph. Click on the button Test News Detection. Select the test news dataset. Click on Open. Here, the test data is loaded. For this particular news, it has predicted as genuine news, and for this particular news, it has predicted as fake news. Similarly, if we upload more test data, then it will predict the news as genuine or fake. Now close this. Conclusion: the implemented fake news detection model utilizes a decision tree, n-gram analysis, and TF-IDF vectorization. It exhibits excellent performance in accurately identifying genuine and fake news, as demonstrated by the graph showing higher accuracy than the error rate. When tested with the unlabeled news sentences, the model successfully predicts fake or genuine news based on dominant word matching percentages. The project success highlights that decision tree effectiveness in combating fake news dissemination on Twitter, enabling users to make informed judgments and differentiate between genuine and misleading information.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.